Welcome to Interior Design YouTube channel and latest modern sofa chair cover ideas 2024. You will discover ways to refresh your living room without investing in new furniture. This video presents a range of stylish cover designs that not only protect your sofa and chairs but also add a fashionable touch to your space. From sleek monochrome covers that bring elegance to bold patterns that make a statement. These ideas cater to various design preferences. You will learn about different fabric options, including durable materials for families with kids and pets, as well as luxurious textures for a more upscale feel. This video also covers seasonal cover ideas, allowing you to switch up your decor throughout the year with tips on choosing colors that complement your existing decor. These sofa chair covers offer an affordable way to keep your living room looking fresh and stylish. Whether you are aiming for a modern minimalist look for a smoothing and something more electric, these cover designs can transform your furniture with minimal effort. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe, and like Interior Designs channel.